Hey guys, happy Monday. I'm just going to take you through what I expect of you this week in your to-do list. So here is, if I just refresh it a little bit, here's our stream. So this morning I posted your to-do list. So the first thing, make sure you're familiar with the online textbook and how to log into Big Ideas, which we've done in class. So you should be familiar with it. It might take a minute just to see it again. And then the chapter 14 proportions material folder, that's in classwork. There is a little quizzy game if you want to do that. If not, you don't have to. It's just for practice. A lot of you guys like those little games. And then you have two big ideas assignments. It's called chapter 14 review and chapter 15 pre-work. So it seems like a lot, but I'm going to kind of take you through it. So you're going to, and you can just go through the stream and see what everyone's talking about. But you're going to go to classwork. You're going to scroll down to week of 3-23, chapter 14 proportions. That's the chapter we did in school. So we already covered proportions. So you are going to go, here's material, so you'll go and you see there's videos that you can get refamiliarized with proportions if you want. Here's proportions trial run if you want to try big ideas. Here's that quizzy game that has the link and the code for you to play it. If you want to FaceTime some friends and play with them, go for it. And then here are the chapter 14 review and chapter 15 pre-work. What it actually is, see if I can enlarge my screen. If not, you're just going to go to Big Ideas. So I have my Google screen up. I'm going to Google Big Ideas Math. And then it's going to be the first one right here. Make sure I log in with Clever. And then I should already be logged in, but it'll take you through the steps to log in. And then this is my teacher version. But all you're going to do is go to assignments right here, click on assignments. And then you'll see the proportions trial run, chapter 14 review, and then you'll see all of these extra assignments that I have going on that are in blue. And then it looks like I have to go to the next page. And then that's the chapter 15 pre-work. So again, you'll just need to, if I go to Big Ideas, go to Assignments tab, and then hit do chapter 14 review, and then chapter 15 pre-work. If you looked at this last week, there are a bunch of other assignments in white. I deleted those because it's a little confusing as I looked on it this morning. But just for this week, chapter 14 review and chapter 15 pre-work. That's it. Email me or let me know if you have any questions, but yeah, just complete the 3-23 chapter 14 proportions. Just let me know. Have a good week.